Guys, welcome back. I ran into another problem with the Samsung washing machine. I ended up with the 5E error. Some people think it's an SE error. It's actually a 5E error, I believe it is if you look in the manuals. It means it's failing to drain. Hey guys, another quick video. Working on the Samsung front load washer again today. This is the bottom end of the drain pump sitting out. Every time I get that 5E error, or sometimes people think it's SE, but it's really 5E. I take this off and I look up in there, and this is what I find. A giant hairball. Every time I try to clean the hair out of my washer, got a lot of kids with long hair, but every time that's what causes my 5E error, I think it is. So anyway, drain pump is cleared. This one's really hot from trying to drain, and this is what it looks like when it's all together. It just screws on right there, and then the wires go back on that side. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my old drain pump back on, see if I can just get this running tonight, and back at it. Hey guys, that's all we have for today. Again, I just tipped my dryer or my washer up. I disconnect the hoses that are right there, or no, I'm sorry. I disconnect the screws in front of the drain filter, and I can just kind of shimmy that drain out and work on it right there. So again, you can check out other videos, see how to do that. But that's what fixed it again today. If you're like me, you have a spouse and kids with long hair, you're probably gonna run into this. So the first time I replace a drain pump, don't really do that anymore. I just unclog it, put it all back together.